dress. I hated this dress. I just seamed it's there, and now I'm gonna take off this part, and these are ten centimeters from here. Then I cut it off.
Now, I'm gonna be honest, I wish I hadn't really cut that sleeve right in the middle. Yeah, I wish I didn't do that.
I have an idea that I wanna trim this part with this like so.
If you're South African,
so I'm just gonna paste it and just see how it works.
Let me take a moment to cry for the neckline. R.I.P.
Maybe just
this is me trying to
just see how it turned out at the end.
Trust the process.
So now I'm just gonna do this further back. I don't know whether I'll put a zip at the back or, but I need 1 centimeter extra.
Yeah, this is freestyling for real. I pasted the top on the sides. I don't even know how it fit me at this point.
Guys,
like I said, it just deserves some tears.
Here, I like this detailing there and stuff.
Yeah, stop lying to yourself,
So
girl.
far, I don't have any complaints.
You do have lots of complaints. So this is me attempting to fix the neckline. One thing about freestyling a project is that it never goes how you imagine it. That I have learned so many times. So at this point, we're just going with the flow. There's no rules to this.
Oh shit. No, it's supposed to be loose stitch.
That attempt at trying to fix the stem neckline. Finally, I think we are trying or getting to some form of progress to how I want it to look. Yeah, now we are moving to the sleeves. I don't want to talk about this. Just don't. Like, what are we even trying to do here? Don't ask me, please. yeah, so we are MacGyving this. Yeah, we're just MacGyving this. We're just progressing. That's what we're doing, MacGyving it. So these straps are for the waistline. I'm pretty sure you can tell what I'm doing, I hope. If you can't, I am creating channels for an elastic band at the back of the top.
So I just pinned in the waistband, and then I'm gonna combine it with the side.
Yeah, so this is me making a waistband, and it stretches so that it can accommodate my waist. Yeah, I did cut it on the bias. This is me inserting the elastics on the top of the on the top of the neckline. Yeah, I think the English is running. Yes, on top of the neckline of the top. I don't know if you can understand what I'm trying to say, but yeah. So here I'm also inserting the elastics on the sleeves, the top of the sleeves, so it can sit off the shoulder. So here I'm pinning the sleeves to the top, aligning the side seams so that I can pin it in alignment to the top of the bodice. And yes, I was struggling to sew the sleeves to the top. It was a struggle. I don't know why. And that's basically it. I am done with the top, and this is how it looks. Now moving on to the skirt. I would say the skirt was the easiest part of this project, as I decided to turn it into a two-piece. I just cut a strip because the fabric is stretchy. It was just easy for me to stretch out the strip and attach it to the skirt, and that's basically it. And I inserted an elastic inside the strip of the skirt. Here I am folding over the edge of the strip and folding it over once again to attach it to the edge of the skirt to hide the seam on the inside by doing a stitch in this a stitch in the ditch like so. And basically that was the whole freestyling project in this chaotic vlog. So please comment, like, and please subscribe to my channel. God bless. See you next time. Bye.